Okay, so for this tutorial you would be needing your magical Cricut maker, your light grip mat, which is perfect for cutting out cardstock paper, and of course you would be needing some cardstock paper, and maybe you're gonna also need your Cricut spatula. So get all your supplies and let's get started. To cut out the pieces, first of all, you're going to go to Design Space, which is design.cricut.com, and then you're going to click on New Project. So you're going to end up on this canvas. Then just click on Upload, followed by Upload Image. And first of all, go ahead and download the file for the gift card holders from the free pattern library and save it on your computer. And once you're done, just browse the file and upload it here. It will be in SVG format, and all you gotta do is just click on the file and you'll see that it's uploaded over here. So there will be something missing at the bottom, but don't worry about it. It works fine. It's just not displayed over here. And once you're done, you can just name it or tag it as whatever you want so that you can refer to it later on. Once you're done, just click on Save, which is at the right hand side, bottom right hand side. So once you're done, you will see the image over here. So just click on it and then click on Insert Images, which is also at the bottom right hand side. So the image should load on your canvas now. This is the exact image which you should have, and this is the exact size which you should have, which is 9.5 by 8.5. So once you're ready, you're just gonna click on Make It. But there are other pieces of this project, so we're gonna upload that as well. So just click on Upload, go back to Upload Image, browse the file, and upload it here. So this is the contrast file. So this is everything that you should have. So once you're done, just click on Save. Again, Insert Images, and you should have the other image over here. So make sure that these are exactly the same size. Now once you're ready, just click on Make It. So now you can see both of them are on different mats. This is how we want it. So on one mat, you're gonna have your main paper, and on the other one, you're gonna have your contrast paper, the one which goes underneath. So now go ahead and click on Continue, connect your machine, and from the material here, select medium cardstock if you're using medium weight cardstock or heavyweight cardstock, whatever you're using. You're just going to browse the materials from here. I'm using medium cardstock, so I'm just going to select that, and now I need to load the mat in the machine. So here I have both my mats. So this is going to be the base, and this is the dark pink is going to be the under layer. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this thing cut. I'm going to load this inside. Time to take off the card and the cutout. So I'm using my spatula to do that because you don't want to touch the mat with your fingers. Okay, so once all the cutting is done, this is all what you should have: the main piece, the underlayer, and the hearts. So now it's time to glue everything together. So So I'll be using this pretty normal, usual craft glue to glue everything. And I'm gonna start off with this, and I'm gonna make sure that the glue stays on these points and it doesn't ooze into the hard cutouts. You gotta apply just enough so that everything sticks together. You don't want it to be too gluey because it's gonna ruin the paper. Make sure you apply a good amount along the edges because we want the edges to stick real good. So once you're done, just stick the under layer on top of it. Make sure you press the edges perfectly because you don't want the edges to come off. And once you're done gluing the underlayer, now it's time to add the hearts. Now you can be totally creative about this. You can do it however you like it. I'm just gonna add the hearts in a row, a bit at an angle, as you can see. So it's totally up to you. That's why I haven't left any marks wherever you want to add the hearts. You can play around with them, customize the look however you like it. So I'm just gonna leave them like this. Okay, so all the hearts are in place. Now it's time for the final step, which is to make the holder. So all you gotta do is apply a bit of glue along the along the two edges only. So the two of the vertical edges. And make sure that you only stick the glue in one line along the edge. You don't spread it all over the place because you want this place to open up so that you can put your card inside. Now just fold it over and press it nicely. Now you can put a heavy book on this thing to make sure that it sticks, and leave it for a couple of minutes to dry off. Alright, so it's all dried up. All you gotta do is insert your gift card and present it to your favorite person. Now we're gonna move to the next tutorial for the next gift card. So this is what you should have by now after cutting everything out. So I've already folded it in an envelope style. Now all we're gonna do is glue the top part onto the base, and I'm just using a normal glue like I used earlier. So make sure you apply the glue properly along the letters so that they don't come out, and some along the edges. So once you're done, you just gotta glue the whole thing in the center. So first of all, go ahead and fold it over so that the bottom edge touches the part where the curve starts. So once you're done, you would have two lines, the folding lines, and you need to place the top layer in between the two lines like this, and all done. Now we're just gonna apply some glue along these two edges only so that the envelope can stick together. So I'm just gonna fold it over and leave it to dry off for a few minutes. You can add some heavy book or something so that it stays together. I'm just gonna leave it like this for a while. Okay, so it's all dried up, and now you can see it's perfectly ready to be gifted to anyone. All you gotta do is just insert your gift card and apply a little bit of washi tape to hold these two layers together, and you're ready to present it to your favorite person. And if you don't want to add some tape, one more thing you can do is just take a string or yarn and tie this up together like this with a knot. This makes a nice little gift card holder. There you go. So it's all ready. You don't even need a tape. Alright, so that is it. Our gift cards are ready. Don't forget to get these files from the free pattern library by signing up for the VIP list. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Cricut projects.